In the bustling heart of New York City, during the early 19th century, a young man named Isaac Merritt Singer was born into a family of modest means. With a restless spirit and an insatiable curiosity, Isaac grew up amidst the hum of industry and the vibrant energy of a rapidly changing world. His early life was a tapestry of odd jobs and fleeting passions. From acting to theatrical production, Isaac tried his hand at everything, but never quite found his calling. Then, in a moment of serendipity, Isaac stumbled upon a broken sewing machine. Intrigued by its mechanics, he was inspired to tinker and improve upon the existing design. He saw potential where others saw only failure. With determination and ingenuity, he set out to create a machine that could not only mend fabric, but revolutionize the way clothing was produced. Isaac's invention was met with skepticism at first, but his charisma and tenacity won him allies and investors. He founded the M.Singer and Company, and his improved sewing machine quickly became a sensation, acclaimed for its efficiency and reliability. The business flourished, and Isaac finally tasted the sweet nectar of success. However, with great success came formidable challenges. Isaac faced numerous legal battles over patent rights and fierce competition from rival inventors. The pressure of maintaining his empire strained his personal relationships, and his flamboyant lifestyle drew criticism and controversy. Yet, Isaac remained undeterred, driven by an unyielding belief in his vision. Despite the tumult, Isaac's contributions to the industry were undeniable. As he grew older, he reflected on his journey, from a wandering youth to a celebrated inventor. His machines had transformed the textile industry, empowering countless workers and revolutionizing the fashion world. Isaac Singer had left an indelible mark on history, one stitch at a time. In his later years, Isaac retired to England, where he enjoyed the fruits of his labor surrounded by his family. Though he passed away in 1875, his legacy endured, woven into the fabric of modern manufacturing. Isaac Singer's life was a testament to the power of innovation and the enduring spirit of creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating stories about history, inventions, technology, and the secrets that shape our world.